Look who's already out here visiting me. I just came out a second ago and I didn't have my phone, but she's up here on my little trellis. Oh, I'm so happy. I've been inside for a little bit. She came back. She looks like she's hot. Her beak is open a little bit. But it's not really that hot out here. She's probably just exhausting herself because she's been out here for about I guess about an hour, maybe, since she flew off. Oh, I'm so excited. She's hanging around. Hi, baby girl. Are you having fun? You are having fun? That's a good girl. Aww. I'm so happy she came back. She does look hot. Aww. I hope she's not. I'm sure if she gets real thirsty or something, she'll come see me. She don't know where to get water right now. Baby girl, do you need some water? Come here.